Good morning, students. Welcome back to the science class. As you know that we have already doing chapter number that is chapter number 11 that is force, work and energy. So today also we will continue with the same chapter number 11, force, work and energy. We have completed our explanation of the chapter, and I will request everyone to go through the chapter. It is very important chapter for you. Go through the chapter. What I have told you, you will learn those definitions and also MCQs that are inside the chapter. Today we will discuss from the exercise of chapter number 11. So this is your chapter number 11, force, work and energy. Force, work and energy. Okay, we will do the exercise, and you might have seen that video, those previous video, that we have already done section A. We have done up to the section A, no, in the previous video from the exercise. So I will just recap what we have done from the A section, means tick the correct answers. We will just discuss this one, then I will start today from B onwards. Okay, this exercise page number 70. So tick the correct answers we have already done. So it is just a recap on number 1, a push or pull applied on a body is called force. Number 2, simple dash is a device that makes our work easier. So simple machine is a device that makes our work easier and faster. Number 3, under what conditions a moving object can change its direction? So under what condition a moving object can change its direction? By applying force. Correct option is by applying force. Number 4, a pair of scissors is an example of lever. Correct option is lever. And number 5, hydroelectricity is produced by the energy of flowing water. Correct option is flowing water. So today I will start from number B. Fill in the blanks. Okay. Number 1, fill in the blanks. Number 1, force can change the dash of an object. Force can change the shape. Number 2, a dash is used to hold things together. So a screw is used to hold things together. Dash is the ability to do work. So it is the energy. Energy is the ability to do work. Number 4, wind energy is used to rotate the blades of a windmill. It is windmill. And number 5, last one, plants use dash energy to make food. Plants use solar energy, that is energy from the sun. Okay, fill in the blanks completed. Now we will do number C. Number C is identify the simple machine. Identify the simple machines. Number 1 is, it is screw. Number 2, it is axe. The picture is of axe. And number 3, it is wheel and axle. I'll write it here, it will be better not to write here. Okay. Number 3 is wheel and axle. Wheel and axle. Okay. Now we will also solve today very short answer question. Okay. So I will rub here the fill in the blanks. Okay, now we will solve number D. Very short answer question. Very short answer question. Number 1, I will not write down the question, only the answer I will write. See, now name the force by which the earth pulls the objects towards it. Name the force by which the earth pulls the object towards it. So the answer will be the force 1 answer. Everybody will write down in your science notebook or science copy. The force by which the earth pulls the objects towards it is gravitational force. I will underline gravitational force. Okay. Next one, number 2. Give an example of a wedge. An example of wedge is X. You can write other example, you can write blade, you can write knife. Okay. Give an example of wheel and axle. Number 3. An example of wheel and axle is an example of wheel and axle is a steering wheel. I'll write a bit smaller here. Is a steering wheel. Okay. An example of wheel and axle is a steering wheel. You can write also a spindle tap. Okay. You can write that also, wheel and axle. You can write bicycle pedal also. Now number 4. Number 4 answer, which force helps us write on a paper? Which force? Frictional force, or you can write friction also. I am writing frictional force. Frictional force helps us write on a paper. Write on a paper. Frictional force helps us write on a paper. Okay. Now number 5. Number 5. What is the main source of energy on the earth? The main source of energy on the earth is sun. Okay. So, okay students, today up to this much we have done, means we have done up to the section D, that is very short answer question from the exercise of chapter number 11. I have written here force, work and energy. Hope you will watch this video in the YouTube channel and you will write down the question answer or in the science book as well as in science copy also. Okay, see you in the next class with the other question answer from the exercise of this chapter. Till then, thank you everyone.